we need to find out the number of possible matrices. If suppose the first case, if order of the matrix is 2 into 2 and we need to fill the entries 0 and 1. So how many matrices are possible? Total matrices. So if it is 2 into 2 matrix, then there are 4 elements are there, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So in this box it can be filled up in how many ways? We have the two entries 0, I can fill 0 here and I can fill 1 here. So it can be filled up in two ways, either I can write 0 or 1. This entry can also be filled up in two ways, this can also be filled up in two ways, this number can also be filled up in two ways. So according to the multiplication theorem in class 11th we have studied, so the total number of ways is the multiplication of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So the total ways in this case. So it can be written as 2 power 4. So how many matrices are possible? 16 matrices are possible in this case, right? So let us take the another example here to understand this concept. Suppose 4 entries, let me change the entries, suppose entries are 0, 1 and 2. So what are the number of possible matrices in this case if entries are 0 and 1, 2? So there are 4 columns, 4 elements places are there. In 2 into 2, 4 element places are there, and this place can be filled up in how many ways now? It can be filled up in 3 ways. This can be filled up in 3 ways. This can be filled up in 3 ways. This can be filled up in 3 ways. So what will be the answer in this case is 3 power 4. The answer in this case is 3 power 4 if there are 3 entries are there. If there are 2 entries, the answer is 2 power 4. If there are 3 entries, answer is 3 power 4. Let us make the general formula for this. So the general formula for this is for n entries. If the n entries are there, in the first case there are 2 entries, in the second case there are 3 entries. If there are n entries, so the formula is for this one is n power, number of entries power, the order of the matrix. Order of matrix means m into n. So this is a general formula to find out the total number of possible matrices. N is the number of entries and m into n is the order of the matrix. If you look at here, if you look at the above example, how many entries are there? Entries are 2. And what is the order of the matrix? Order of the matrix is 2 into 2. So the answer in this case is 2 power 4. Look at this example. How many entries are there in this example? 3. And the order of the matrix is 2 into 2. So the answer in this case is 3 power 4. I hope it is clear to you all now.